So here's how to send money via Remitly. First of all, open up your browser and head over to the Remitly login page. Here, just put in your credentials like your email address and your password and log in. So as you can see, we are now logged into our Remitly account. Here on the right side, you will get to see the send money option. Click on that. Now, wait for the next page to load up. So after it loads up, click on Start Over. Here, you need to set the USD amount that you want to send. So click on it and type the number in. After that, you will get to see the amount they will receive. You will also see the exchange rate and fees. So go ahead and click on Continue. After that, you need to select the delivery method. You can select bank deposit or cash pickup. For now, let's go with bank deposit and select your bank. After that, you need to put in your IBAN number or whatever details that they require. After that, just click on Continue and your money will be sent. So that is how you can send money via Remitly.